Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Today we are diving into a super useful trick, adding minutes to your list of times in Excel. Okay, let's jump right in. First, let's set up our data. In column A, I have got a list of start times, and in column B, I have the minutes that I want to add to the times. Make sure your time are formatted as time and the minutes in a regular number format. This helps Excel recognize and work with the data correctly. Now for the magic formula. Click into the first cell in column C and type equal sign. Select the A2 cell plus, open parenthesis, and select the B2 cell. Divided by 1440. Close parenthesis. Here we are dividing the minutes by 1440 because there are 1440 minutes in a day. This converts our minutes into a fraction of a day, which Excel understands and add to the time in column A. Hit enter, and there it is. Excel has added the minutes for us. Now let's apply this formula to the rest of our list by dragging it down the column. And just like that, try it out and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Thank you.